Cryptocurrencies are getting decimated over the weekend. Started last week slightly, but over the weekend it really got decimated. Well, Bitcoin at a discount, that makes me excited, but all hopes of a bullish break, that's gone. That's all gone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Monday, 5 August 2024, and today I would like to be long yen, Swiss and the euro, and shorten the pound, the Aussie and the CAD. Start with the dollar index. The dollar get absolutely decimated on Friday. It just keeps going on Monday. Very volatile, very difficult to read the markets at present, so I am very cautious today. Got very nice short on the US yen on my trading robot, but that's basically all. Most of my targets got hit last week. We had an amazing week on the mentoring program last week. But the dollar index now could find support at this very next level. You can see here very support and resistance coming in. This is the next level I'm looking at after crushing through this level, reversing off those highs there. So dollar index definitely on the medium, long term and short term very bearish. But on intraday it warns, it's very sideways comparing it to the other currencies. I'm not expecting much more sparks today. I think mostly it will be profit taking. I think the moves for the day are basically done. But on the weaker dollars, surprising, not a great move on gold. I would expect gold to go up. It did try to go up on Friday and today, but it failed to keep those highs. But at this stage, yes, I am long. From here, we took the trade, I think, beginning of last week. And then also, we trailed the stop loss to entry. And now this morning, I brought my stop loss into just below the $2,400 levels. So at least I'm locking in some good money. So if it cuts through the $2,400 levels, I'll cut the trade. Other than that, I won't do much. If you look on the 4-hour charts, I'm still just waiting for a retracement back to the 61% Fibonacci levels. Then I will consider again. If I use this whole swing from there to there, you can see here this area here. That's the area, and that's around 2,400. So I will stop out my daily trade when it goes below 2,400, but then I'll watch here for something here that could get me into a long on the 4-hour charts, providing the dollar keeps weakening. Then Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies are getting decimated over the weekend. Started last week slightly, but over the weekend it really got decimated. Well, Bitcoin at a discount, that makes me excited, but all hopes of a bullish break, that's gone. That's all gone. Maybe this is another flash out. I thought the bottom was in here. I was wrong. Bottom apparently not in. Testing this falling trend line. I mentioned at that stage when we had this drawdown, I mentioned this level here at $50,000, and I thought in my mind, nah, what's the chance? And there it is. Can't believe it, but I thought that was the bottom. So that's hindsight. But we're finding support there a little bit. The sell-off is there. I know US is dumping some Bitcoins. There's a lot of dumping going on. I'm not going to go into that. I think there's enough videos on YouTube explaining all that. So for me now, there's nothing technically I can do. We're going into a third bear trend in this sideways range, which is terrible. But the one good news about something like this is, and it's not short-term good news. Short-term, we're in for a rough ride and it's not breaking. The big thing is, the longer a sideways range like this keeps going and suppressing the markets, the bigger is the subsequent move at the time it breaks out. That's if it breaks out. Nobody knows it will break out. But if it breaks out after a prolonged sideways move like this, guys, this is usually when you get the most explosive move. So for the short term, this is tough. This is painful. It's not nice seeing all your profits decimate and there's nothing. It just reduces into smaller profits. And I mean, I'm going to buy today on my normal monthly schedule. I should have bought last week. I didn't. So I will be buying today on all my cryptocurrencies, my monthly allocation. I put out there for the last how many years now? I think since 2016. So I will be buying. So I'm getting Bitcoin at a discount. I get Solana at a discount. I'm going to get XRP at a discount. I'm going to get everything at a discount. So I'm going to keep buying that. I'm not fearful of this. Yes, it's not nice. I was expecting a break. But remember this. This is the big thing. The longer, the more prolonged the sideways range is, the bigger the move after the break, when it breaks. Okay, I can't say if it will break. I believe we're still going to be very strong bullish this year and into end of next year. but at this stage it's painful watching this doing what it's doing. But alright, that's Bitcoin. The whole of crypto markets are selling off like crazy. I can't remember when last I saw such a big sell-off in one day. Well, the day is not done yet. We will see what happens. But the sideways range, let's see. We're at the bottom of the sideways range. Maybe high-risk long-term investors will get in. We'll see. I will be one of those, and then I will add to my position. That's why I didn't want to add up there, because I said to you, I need to see the break. I need to get the bulls to confirm. Luckily, I didn't, so I can buy way more for the same monetary value at this stage. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then just one thing on Forex, because everything is now a little bit spiky, very spiky. Now, me as a trader, I've been doing this for a very long time, knows when to step aside, and today is one of those days I will step aside. There is only one currency pair that fits my whole strategy, and that's the Aussie New Zealand. Aussie in the red zone, New Zealand in a neutral zone. The only thing that doesn't look absolutely crazy or impossible to trade is this one. So I will consider this still later today, a retracement back to that structure here right at 61% level. If I'm going to get some nice counter reversals there, I will then definitely look for some shorts. But I'm not going to push the trades. Tomorrow is another day, Wednesday is another trade, Thursday is another day. I had an absolute awesome last week and the week before that. So I'm not going to push now and try to catch this and think I've missed out. I've been short US Swiss hitting targets over the last 2, 3, 4 weeks consistently. We've been short US yen. I've had awesome trades. So I'm not going to give that profits away. That's always the problem. We're trying to catch up because we missed out, or we're trying to recreate the feeling of the profits. And both of those are detrimental to your account. A good trader knows when to step back and say, I'll just give the market a day or so just to calm down or to give good direction. If you're not in the trades, today is a big gamble. We are in some trades, they're all making money, but I won't enter during these volatile periods. But then guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.